Hello everybody, welcome to this English listening practice video. You can use this video to train your listening and speaking. So today, I will speak about my dream house. My dream house is not very big or very fancy. It's a warm, peaceful place where I can feel safe, relaxed, and happy. I dream of living in the countryside, far from the noise and stress of the city. There will be green fields, blue skies, and fresh air all around me. Birds will sing in the morning, and the stars will shine bright at night. The house will have 2 floors. The outside walls will be white or light gray, with big windows and wooden shutters. I want a small garden in front, filled with colorful flowers, roses, daisies, tulips, and lavender. There will be a little bench near the front door, where I can sit with a cup of tea and enjoy the sunset. Inside, the house will be simple but cozy. The living room will be the heart of the house. It will have a soft sofa, a few cushions, and a big rug on the floor. There will be shelves full of books, and a large window to let in the sunlight. In one corner, I'll have a fireplace with logs stacked beside it. In winter, I'll light the fire, sit with a blanket, and read or just enjoy the warmth. The kitchen will be small, but full of life. It will have wooden cabinets, a fridge, a stove, and lots of cooking tools. There will be jars of spices, a basket of fresh fruits, and maybe even a small herb garden on the windowsill. I want to try new recipes, bake bread, and cook delicious meals for friends and family. The dining room will be next to the kitchen. It will have a long wooden table with 6 chairs, perfect for family dinners and small parties. On the wall, I want to hang photos of happy memories, travel, friends, special moments. And I'll put some fairy lights around the window to make the room feel magical at night. Upstairs, there will be 3 rooms. My bedroom will be calm and quiet. I want a big bed with white sheets and soft pillows. There will be a small desk, a lamp, and a plant near the window. The window will have a great view of the garden and the trees outside. I want to wake up to the sound of birds and the smell of fresh air. The second room will be for guests. A cozy bed, some books, and a little welcome basket. The third room will be my creative space. It might be a small studio, a home office, or even a place to paint, write, or just relax. Outside, I dream of a big backyard. There will be a vegetable garden, where I can grow tomatoes, lettuce, and carrots. Maybe I'll plant some fruit trees, apples, peaches, or lemons. I want a hammock between 2 trees, where I can lie down, close my eyes, and listen to the wind. I'll also have a small shed for tools and maybe a bike. I dream of having a dog, a friendly one who loves running in the yard, and maybe a cat who sleeps in the sun and follows me around the house. At night, the garden will have soft lights. I'll sit outside with a cup of tea, a blanket, and look at the stars. There will be no traffic, no noise, just nature and peace. My dream house is not about money or luxury. It's about comfort, love, and peace. It's a place where I can truly be myself. That is my dream house. Tell me in a comment. What about you? How do you imagine your dream house? That's it for today's episode. If you found this helpful, don't forget to follow us. And keep practicing. See you next time.